Hi guys, how are you? Hope you guys are good. I'm home. This is how it looks like. So where I'm going to town to see if I can get my mom a washing machine. And are we Liberty Mall? Gemma Tando. Tando likes jam. These are parking lots. This is Tando. Do you want to show your face? Yeah. She's taking me out, guys. Like, the friends we keep. Guys, Utando just told me that she hasn't subscribed on my channel. This girl, this one here. She's such a bad friend. Anyway, we at Liberty Mall. Upstairs. Where are we? Upstairs or downstairs?
Upstairs by Checkers.
Upstairs by Checkers, and then after that I need to go to Clicks. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm so broke. My mom just like that washing machine. Wow. So yeah, when we are done at Thunder, we're gonna go to Clicks. After Clicks, we're going to where are we going? To Chow Hamani. I'm going to Chow Hamani.
Cat, me. We're going this side. We're not going to movies. One day is one day.
That's from a boyfriend.
From a who? When ngome na ngizokhathala ubamba lento.
Oh, this is the sign I want to show.
Oh. Bazosibalisa ama-security camera kutshena.
So I bought these ones. Because I always had them when I was in high school. No man, primary, not high school. Sweets from her. Bye, Nalin. I got it. Kodwa ngathi kumnyama nje outside for pictures. Okay, we'll take it. We are gonna eat. This is our food court. Are you gonna sit outside? If only what zone? Lambile. So this other time, we came to my place, God was on my side this way. There's this kid. I know everyone who knows so much. So there was this kid who were knocking. They knocked, and then I was like, why not up and okay? Guys, we are so drunk. It's not even funny, you know. I mean, for some reason, we happened to buy like 2 bottles, like 2 for Drosby Wolf. Is it Drosby? Drosby, and Utando bumped into the celebrity guy.
Pastor Makamu, Bishop Makamu. Bishop Makamu is at the mall, guys. Rush.
Where we were eating.
Right next to us, we're rubbing shoulders with him.
No, not we. Only
We
Tando.
were rubbing shoulders with him.
No, only Tando.
We were rubbing shoulders.
And guess what? We're going to take a takes. I'm just kutuza mana.
At least you guys know where we
Like
are.
they will kutuza us. Should anything happen, please call 911.
And we call 911.
Okay, cheers, bye.